singing. We open our arms wide to the sun. When I fall, you're ready to lift me higher. Like the pain we've shared, like a healed wound. When we fall, we're ready to jump higher. Together we're like the forest and the rain. I exist because you were created. As a reminder of a friend, also as an answer to all challenges. I pick a star for you to keep. The light is come, give you protection. As a reminder of a friend, also as an answer to all challenges. Before time separates my seconds, your seconds. Before adulthood aging separates us, our heartbeats will always be in rhythm. If you miss me, to keep. The light is come, give you protection. As a reminder to a friend, and also as an answer to all challenges. As a reminder to a friend, and also as an answer to all challenges. There could be thousands of parties, but the one who wins has the money. A tyrannical ruler can become president. That's how the story developed. Bullying is no longer the season. This brain battle is what you've been waiting for. Elections are a place where fake money is celebrated. If it's not like that, it's not funny. Programs floating around like an old childhood fairy tale, even though it turns out it was just a lie. But the campaign makes my heart happy. The liar is lying, lies pitted against each other for power. This is from ancient times, from the time of kings until now. Money is the language of the heart, spiritual food for bureaucrats. Of course, not all of them. But what is certain is that men commodity can be exported abroad. Money is the language of the heart, spiritual food for the people and their representatives. Of course, not all of them, but what is certain is that many people like it. Don't be surprised that corruption is rampant. After all, that's what was taught. Ideology becomes merchandise, can be exported abroad. Many roads lead to Rome. Many roads lead to Rome. If you fail to achieve your goals, try again and try again. Let yourself not know despair. Try again and try again. Many roads lead to Rome. Many roads lead to Rome. If you fail in one way, look for another way. If you don't know of your body. Don't stay up late every night. Stay up late. Stay up late. Stay up late. Stay up late. Oh, no, 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 no. Beautiful morning, a smile on red lips. From behind the window, soft sunlight greets you. Both of us, who have embraced intimately, enjoy the warmth, the atmosphere of the human soul making love. I sleep in your arms, among the loose hair, and pounding in my chest, I heard, I guess, whisper happy words. Bright morning, passed without a word. Drift the two of us away in the dream of the first night. You sleep in my arms, shedding happy tears. You give it all, full of soul, yourself, your love, and everything for me. Beautiful morning, and a smile on red lips. A million feelings of happiness. What you gave, no more. What I can offer is just my song, as an expression of my love. I'm in your arms, among the loose hair. You give it all, full of soul, yourself, your love, and everything for me. Beautiful morning, and a smile on red lips. A million feelings of happiness. What you gave, don't doubt it. Everything that happened, as sincere as there is, I've given it. No more. What I can offer, it's just my song, as an expression of my love. Hey, everybody, ooh yeah. benefits of coconut water are not just to relieve thirst, but it is also good for body health. Apart from being able to overcome the symptoms of mild dehydration, there are various benefits of coconut water that can be obtained, such as lowering high blood pressure and prevent heart disease. Consuming coconut water, especially from young coconuts which have more water content, it is known to help meet the body's fluid needs. This of course can prevent the body from lacking fluids, which can trigger dehydration. Come on friends, let's drink young coconut water. Ooh yeah, come on friends, don't delay any longer. Come on friends, let's drink young coconut water. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on friends, let's get out of the house and look for young coconuts. Ooh yeah.
Coconut water contains a number of electrolytes which are important for the body, including sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium.
Ooh yeah.
Electrolytes themselves are mineral substances that function to support cell activity and body tissues, as well as keeping body fluid levels balanced.
Ooh yeah. There are several benefits that can be obtained by consuming coconut water, including prevent dehydration, sufficient electrolyte needs, prevent and treat constipation, increase body stamina, maintain body endurance, lowers blood pressure, prevent kidney stones, reduces the risk of heart disease. To get the maximum benefits of coconut water, you should consume pure coconut water, which is obtained directly from coconuts. Besides that, you are also advised not to add sugar or artificial sweeteners when consuming them. Come on friends, let's drink young coconut water. Ooh yeah. Come on friends, don't delay any longer. Come on friends, let's drink young coconut water. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on friends, let's get out of the house and look for young coconuts. Ooh yeah. If you are confused about getting young coconuts, just come to the beach while on holiday with your lover, while enjoying young coconut water. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. You, yeah. Hi friends, come here and hear my story. Yesterday I finished my holiday in Konoha, a country rich in natural resources, a country rich in culture. This story is true, but I really love it. Why do you want to know? Okay, I will tell you a piece of the story of a holiday in Konoha. There's a lot of cuteness in that country. Board members are meeting in the meeting room. He smokes while playing games. There is another minister of human rights who defends robbers. A thief is someone who does evil and is ready to kill his victim. But instead the authorities were prohibited from shooting Whether in that country there are no sane people, whether there is a shortage of dignified people in that country, whether in that country there are no honest people, whether in that country there are no serious people, serious about leading his country. Everyone is greedy until the forest becomes a victim. Everyone doesn't use a sane mind until the rich country was devastated. I hope this doesn't happen in my country. What a disappointing holiday, because I chose the wrong country. Whether in that country there are no sane people, whether there is a shortage of dignified people in that country, whether in that country there are no honest people, whether in that country there are no serious people, serious about leading his country. But my heart is very concerned about that country. I hope that the people's representatives who cannot works well quickly called by God, so that he knows the meaning of responsibility.
Met you in the corner diner down on 8th Avenue. Rain was tapping on the windows like it always knew. You smiled without looking up, stirring coffee slow, like you had 1,000 reasons not to let it show. I was talking just to fill the empty air. You kept pulling at the sleeve you always wear. Outside the city burned in neon blue. Inside that booth it felt like only me and you. Weeks went by and every night got harder still. You'd say you're fine, but silence always said you will. Leave me standing in the hallway of your doubt, with half a heart still trying to figure us out. Sometimes you reach for me, then pull away, like loving me was something you were scared to say. And every little pause cut deeper than before. Two people drowning quiet on the same old shore. It's the silence between our words that keeps me awake when the whole world's blurred. Every breath, every look, every unfinished line feels like losing you 1 second at a time. And I don't know where your heart is gone, but I still hear your voice when the night's too long. Baby, if we're breaking, tell me what is worth, 'cause the silence between our words still hurts. Oh, oh, you turn away, I lose the light. Two shadows fading in the night. Now every street light feels a little colder. Every memory keeps pulling on my shoulders. Maybe love ain't always made to survive. Sometimes it just teaches us we're still alive. Oh, the silence between our words still hurts, still hurts.
telling me news of my lover who will be landing tonight. The sound of the plane's engine is clearly audible as it lands at Bali Airport. I immediately shower with fragrant soap, not forgetting to brush my teeth. I wake up my old Vespa and invite it to pick up my lover. Not far from home, my Vespa stalls and runs out of fuel. I pull over and look left and right for fuel. It turns out there's a gas station there. I push my Vespa like pushing a buffalo. My body is already drenched in sweat. My body odor is like a male goat. Today's a mess, but I'm still happy, because tonight I'm picking up the girl of my dreams. Canadian girl, I'll soon be in front of you. My hungry stomach becomes full. Oh, you wave from afar. You throw your beautiful smile at me. My heart is happy to welcome you. A warm hug welcomes you. This night is truly beautiful as tonight's weather. The stars and moon light up tonight. The night breeze welcomes you. Welcome back to the island of Bali. This love is beautiful, darling. This love is real, darling. Love of a beach child. Right now boredom is creeping up on me. I boil water in a pan, then I poured hot water into a glass, which contains ready to brew bitter coffee. I sat in the corner of the house and was accompanied by a sweet cat. I stretched my feet on the table while I lit a cigarette left over from last night. The first puff of the cigarette made me float. The second puff on the cigarette made me happy, because an angel was present. The third puff of the cigarette made me float and dance like a swan in the middle of a lake. It's really beautiful this afternoon. It feels like my life is full of worldly activities, but actually it's just an illusion. An illusion that always tricks us into always being here. When you feel alone in a crowd, or if you feel crowded in solitude, it's a good idea to see a psychiatrist immediately. Who knows, maybe you might be mentally ill. Maybe this is the effect of the cigarettes I smoke. It doesn't matter, what's important is that this song was created, and we can sing and dance together. Music, reggae, reggae song. Ooh, yeah. Stop. Singing reggae song. Ooh, yeah. Jump, dancing to reggae music. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Sla. La 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 la. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, the space between your words. Rain on the windows of a downtown train. You were staring outside while I called your name. Your fingers kept dancing on that paper cup, like something inside you was giving up. We used to laugh through the traffic lights, drive too far on those summer nights. Now every silence hangs so long, like we're both waiting to say we're gone. We started sleeping closer to the edge, one more inch from the promises we said. I keep rehearsing what I should say, but every truth just fades away. There's a picture turned face down by the bed, 1,000 things we never said. And every time you look at me, your eyes feel somewhere I can't reach. It's the space between your words that keeps tearing up my heart. The way you pause before my name, like you've already walked away in the dark. And I keep holding on to what we're trying not to lose. But love don't disappear all at once. Sometimes it fades in quiet rooms. Oh, you're breathing slow, and I already know. Something's breaking softly tonight. So I turned off every light but one, sat beside you till the morning come. And for the first time we didn't hide all the hurt we kept inside. You said, I don't know who I've become. I said, neither do I, but I still want us. Then your hand reached over mine, shaking like the first time. Maybe love ain't always fire and sparks. Maybe sometimes it's sitting in the dark, choosing to stay when it's easier to leave, learning how to bend instead of break at the seams. And I saw your tears fall slow, like finally letting go of everything we thought we had to be. It's the space between your words that showed me what was true. Not every silence means goodbye. Sometimes pain is talking through you. And now we're holding on, not like before, but something new. 'Cause love don't always shout out loud. Sometimes it whispers us back through. Oh, back through. Back to me. Back to you. Rain still falling outside the train. but she finally said my name. And for a moment in the fading light, everything felt alright. Oh, 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 no. In the quiet corner of the old town, it's starting to get cold out there. Shiny green leaves like glass, frozen in a blanket of cold snow. My skin can't stand the cold tonight. The sky has the roof of my house, and the earth has the floor. Tree branches in the forest as a friend for warmth. One by one I arranged the dry twigs to burn. I took a match and lit the dry twig. I just hope that warmth will accompany me. Cold night without a home, cold night without food. The cold night felt very long. I spent cold nights alone. The cold night made me close without dreaming. Ooh yeah, no, no, no. Brum, bum, brum, brum, bum, bum. Ooh yeah. In a quiet corner of the old town, it's starting to get cold out there. Shiny green leaves like glass, frozen in a blanket of cold snow. My skin can't stand the cold tonight. It's a dark night. One night feels like 1,000 nights. Wishing that that glass of wine could be in front of me. Fantasizing that a piece of delicious meat was in front of me. I fantasize that a beautiful maid is next to me. Accompany this cold night, joking, dra, dra, la, 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 ooh yeah, telling the story, tra, la, 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 la. City bum. In the morning, the clock alarm rang loudly. I looked for the source of the sound that made my ears vomit. Eyes closed as he felt towards the small table beside me. I thought I'd get that noisy thing. After I opened my eyes, it turns out there is a sweet lady before my eyes, who was standing next to the bed. Stumble brought the watch I was looking for. Tra la 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 la. My heart is happy. Tra la 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 la. My sleepiness is gone. Tra la 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 la. coffee tempts me to enjoy. A cup of coffee makes me imagine. A cup of coffee you serve me in the morning. A cup of coffee makes my morning dance with the angel. Footsteps leave the room. I ran while dancing, like a child who has no burden in his heart. Everything flows like a river here, like beach sand decorating the floor, waving coconut trees dancing. Friends, be enthusiastic about facing the day. Friends, loud singing voices drive away the silence. Friends, don't be afraid of yourself. Friends, let's take care of our health so we don't die quickly. Ooh, yeah. Tra la 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 la, pam pam, beep pam pam, Scooby Doo, be doo pam. Using reason alone will make someone easily slip up. Therefore, people who have deep knowledge and steady in his faith, always praying, our Lord, do not incline our hearts to error. Just like those who look for Tawil of Mutasyabi verses to raise doubts, after you have given us instructions, and grant us grace that includes all kinds and various kinds, including stability of faith, inner peace, ease in carrying out orders and avoiding prohibitions. That grace comes directly from you, decreases continuously and without expecting anything in return. For indeed, you are the giver. The attitude of people whose knowledge has been profound, they always pray and surrender to Allah as duty. When they can no longer think about the verses of Allah, they pray to Allah to always nurture, lead, giving guidance. And don't let them slip down the wrong path. After they got the hint from their prayers, it was understood that what they were asking for was not merely salvation and worldly happiness, but they also asked for happiness and safety in the afterlife. Oh, our Lord, do not make our hearts turn away after you have given us guidance and bestowed upon us grace from your presence. Indeed, you are the giver. Click to say, even though turn away. Funny what survives. There was a cafe near the harbor road. I am feeling soft beneath the salt. Oh, the men playing cards till midnight while lantern light shook on the walls. I used to sit there after raining, listening to boats pull at their chains. The whole island breathing slow, like it knew something I didn't yet. My mother sang while washing dishes, low and warm beneath the radio static. And outside, coconut tree kept bending toward the sea, like prayer back then. I thought leaving meant becoming somebody new. Now I'm 20 floors above a city that never really sleeps. Sirens sliding through wet streets, neighbors arguing through apartment walls. Air conditioners humming like tired ghosts. And some nights I still wake up expecting to smell salt water through the window. I keep an old photograph in the kitchen drawer corners, folded white from years of hiding. Nobody's smiling in it, my ceiling near the light fixture. And when the rain hits hard enough, it sounds almost like waves. Almost. And I keep telling myself, memory's just memory. But then why does my chest tighten every time I hear wind move through trees? Why do I still look for oceans inside crowded rooms? Coco's Island still drift through me at midnight, through smoke, through sleepless rooms, through all the things I never said. Coco's Island, I still hear the harbor calling, soft and low, soft and low, like some part of me never really left. Hear the rain against the glass, hear the pipes inside the walls, hear my own voice trying not to shake. Silence on silence and silence and silence and silence and silence. Long silence. I almost said, I think I forgot how to belong anywhere. But the words stayed trapped somewhere behind my teeth. Instead I asked, do the lanterns still swing behind the fish market? And he laughed softly, older than I remember. Said, every Friday night. God, that nearly broke me. Not because things changed, because they didn't. Maybe home ain't something you keep, maybe it keeps you. Maybe certain places stay alive inside the body. And the way we hold silence, and the way we wait during storms, and the way tired people stare out windows like they're listening for something returning. And maybe grief isn't losing a place, maybe it's realizing you can never fully leave it behind. Coco's Island, you still move beneath my heartbeat. Through old songs, through neon nights, through every dream that smells like rain. Coco's Island, I still see your shadows dancing on cafe walls, on harbor waves. And for the first time, I'm not trying to outrun your name. I think I finally understand. Some memories don't ask to be healed, only carried gently. The ceiling fan keeps turning, the city keeps glowing, and somewhere far away, lanterns still sway beside the water. Coco's Island, still calling, soft to me. Coco's Island, soft to me, to me. Oh yeah. Gotta be long, well down where I know that I still hear your footstep in a hall, even with the windows open, even with the sea pulling everything away. Yeah. There's a blue chair leaning by the kitchen wall, sunlight, yeah, love afternoons. Reggae song, a real bros Haïti. Ready profond batterie, one drop, classic steel drums. Légère d'accordéon, pour caler, demande une ambiance ensoleillée, mercanos et la vente vibe positive, romantique et fière d'un star à I sweep it out, it comes back in, like memory got its own weather. And sometimes I swear I hear you
down by the sink coming out for sleep.
and then my vibe starts shaking, and it's just the feeling again. Yeah, 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 yeah.
It's just a building.
Trying not to fall apart. The guys at the harbor still ask about you,
Like you only miss one season.
like your boat's just late from somewhere warm. I say yeah,
Maybe.
then stare too long at my hands. Your room still smells faintly of coconut smoke and rain
Rain-soaked denim.
I tried washing the sheets twice.
Couldn't do the third.
There's a crack in the bedroom ceiling now.
One straight above where you used to sleep.
Funny thing is, I never noticed silence could spread like that slow,
Quiet.
like water inside wood. And I keep talking to shadows in the corridor,
Like they owe me answers.
like if I say your name enough, the walls might give you back. Oh, beach boy, where'd you go when the tide went dark?
You left your voice inside these rooms.
Now every night it echoes hard.
And I still leave the porch light on.
Stupid, huh? Like lost things still come home. Oh, beach boy, I hear your footsteps in the store, but the door stays closed. The door stays closed. I waited through the whole damn winter, you know that. Last night, I drove out near the old pier road, headlight shaking through the fog. There was a kid there, barefoot in the cold, singing something broken to the waves for a second.
God,
For a second, I thought it was you.
but grief plays tricks, that's what people say.
Like grief, some little harmless animal, instead of a mouth that keeps eating the days. I came back home near sunrise, stood in the doorway, dripping rain, and finally noticed the house had learned to live without us, without you, without all the noise we made. Maybe love don't leave all at once. Maybe it stays in corners, inside coffee cups, inside old guitar strings, inside jackets nobody moves. Maybe that's why I couldn't let go, because losing you slowly felt too much like keeping you. And I headed the ocean for a while. Every wave sounded guilty, every gull outside my window felt like bad news circling. But tonight the water sounds softer, like it's tired too. Oh, beach boy, the moon still bends across the bay, silver on the broken tide, same as it did the day you went away. And I can't carry all this ghost light through every room alone, so I'll let the window stay open now, let the night come and go. Oh, beach boy, if you're somewhere past the phone,
I hope to see you was gentle.
when it finally took you home. Beach boy, beach boy. The curtains move with the wind tonight, and for the first time, I don't follow the sound. I don't follow the sound.